In today's lesson, we're going to talk about activity 211, tolerances. As you can see, I have an OnShape drawing open, and we're going to put in the three different types of tolerances onto this existing drawing. So let's get started. So the first one is I'm going to come up to one of my dimensions. I'm just going to double click on it. First thing is I want to do is I want to change my precision down to two spots, get rid of some of these zeros. My tolerance is actually right here, right in the middle. If I click on that, you can see that I have a couple different types. Well, symmetrical is going to be the same as unilateral. So I'm going to select symmetric. And you can see there's my one dimension. So I'm going to make that 0.02, we're going to call it. I'm also going to change my precision, and we're going to only bring that out 2 spots. Down here, I'm going to put a little note. And this, you don't have to do this on a normal drawing, but we're going to actually do this on all our drawings. And we're going to label each one. So I'm going to label this unilateral tolerance. And then I'm just going to left click one more time. There it is. I'll just pull it out a little bit so you can see it nice and cleanly. So there's my unilateral. Next one is we'll do a bilateral. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to pull it out so I have some room. And again, we'll just double click on it. Come back here. I'm going to change our precision. We'll make it 2 spots. We'll go over here to the middle and select our tolerance. This one, we're going to select a deviation. That's the same as bilateral. And you can see that I have 2 of them up here. So we'll make the top one 2, and we'll say +2, and then we'll say -0.03. Again, let's change our precision. And let's label this bilateral tolerance. There we go. And then click again. So you can see there's my bilateral. The last one that I have is going to be my limit. So let's just grab this one. We'll pull it off the side so we have some room. We'll double click on it again. We'll change our precision to 2, and we'll come down here. Now this one is the same, so it's limits, right? So let's say we want this one to go up, we'll say 6.6, and we want it to go down, let's say 0.2. Again, we'll say change our precision down to 2. And this one is a limit dimension. Click again, and there we go. So now you can see that I have my unilateral plus or minus 0.02, my bilateral plus 0.02 or minus 0.03, and my limit dimension, which actually gives me 2 different dimensions.